Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy, and we are out looking at a window that a homeowner wanted us to take a stab at repairing for him over in Marietta. And we're the only company I know of that can fix this stuff. Most of the guys come out here and see this rot. He started kind of probing and realized he was getting in too deep. Started getting water inside the bathroom. And so there's a lot of stuff going on here. And mostly this is just the result of poor caulking and poor painting. You can see as you come along this edge of the sash right here, see all that wrinkling? So it's rotted all the way through because they never caulked and painted it properly, the people that owned it before him. So many people ignore the exteriors. So like this house needs to be painted anyway. When you wipe your hand on it, it comes back the color of the paint. It's real chalky. And so on this window, we'll start here. This is the most serious repair is this sash. And so it's rotted up the right side. It's rotted all the way across the bottom and it's through into the bathroom. So we'll repair that with wood. We just did one exact same size as this window in Bridge Mill in Kenton. And that homeowner was quoted $2,800 to replace the window. And we were able to repair it for $350, $400. So here, this mullion will need to be replaced all the way across. And then we'll repair the rotted sash. The sill obviously is rotted as well. I can't tell if it's rotted on the left corner. I think it is. So we'll end up repairing a spot repair in that corner, spot repair in this corner. The brick mold and the right inside frames are rotted as well. And it kills me because someone replaced this nose on this window probably right before the homeowners bought it. You can see how it's been air stapled in here. And this other stuff was rotted and they just put some Bondo and some caulk on it and called it a day. The inspectors are not gonna get up on ladders and look at this stuff. The left brick mold and left frame is rotted as well. We've got some rain coming, so I'm not gonna pull this apart for the guy. And then just some failed caulk along the way. This siding, people think this is hardy plank. It is not, it's Nichihana siding. And I'm not gonna be able to video it this time, but on his chimney, you can see where some of that is starting to delaminate, where the water's getting along the sides of it. The flashing on a lot of these windows is cut short. And you can kind of see that when you look over this window right here. See that piece of, you can't really tell it's metal, but that upper piece that's sticking out on top of the window, that's flashing, but it's cut short on every single window. So the water gets in around the edges. But anyway, we'll be able to get this fixed for him. My brother and I have been doing this stuff for 25 years in Metro Atlanta. We're not going anywhere. It's us and a team of 30 pretty much doing everything except air conditioning and swimming pools. So you can find us online, HandyANDYFixit.xyz. The other little repairs that he needs to do here, you can see like on this window, somebody came in and put Bondo. This is just gonna re-rot out, so it already is. And then you can see the inside frame right here. That needs to be repaired. Same thing on this side. So we come in and do an angle cut this way, slip a new piece in, piece the frame behind it. That's fairly fresh. The homeowner may have tried to fix that himself. Same thing here. This window's so rotted, he's trying to Bondo this out. The problem with Bondo is that if you don't get all the rot out of the wood in the window, when you put Bondo over it, the wood fungi that causes is anaerobic. And you can see where they're missing the mullion piece right here. So see, we can replace this strip. That's what actually holds the window in place. And then when you look up at the window, you'll see the flashing up here. See how it's inside of the molding? And you can't really see it in my video right here, but that's open right in that corner, so the water's getting in behind it. And that's what causes the rot down here. So you see lots of little stuff on a house. You can see the failed caulk in this corner right here. So we can repair that one as well. And it's really just basic maintenance on stuff like this. So that's the thing that kills you. It's the whole Ben Franklin thing. Stitch in time saves 9, and it's really true. If you can catch these repairs early on, they're a lot cheaper than if you let them go like what that window is. Anyway, I'm Andy with Handy Andy. We're at 770-912-282. See you at the next house. Bye for now.